What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Waits Wavy and back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to wash your straight hair waves. Alright, y'all, so today's video is gonna be a very important one because every waver needs to know a good wash method, especially if you're really trying to dip on them, you feel me? But luckily for you, you've come to the right place. Cause I'm about to give y'all the best method of 2020, alright? Best washing style method of 2020, I'm saying it right now. No joke. Alright, no cap. Tell your friends, tell them I said that. I'm stamping it right now. This is the best wash method of 2020 for straight hair wavers. And on top of that, I'm gonna be showing you guys my after wash method too. So make sure you don't miss out on any of the key tips that I drop in this video, alright? Now before we get into this, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for your boy, man, because we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Almost there, we at 1,500 right now. But yeah, we're gonna keep growing, we're gonna keep grinding. Also, if you haven't checked out my channel already, go make sure you do that. I got lots of great methods that's already up, so make sure you go check those out. Alright guys, so now it's time to get into this wave check. This is my progress for week 3, guys. It's nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? So don't bash me on this, you know, it's alright. It's not that bad. I'm about to show you right now. You ready? Ready? Alright. I don't even know how it's looking. I just woke up. I don't know if my progress looking good or not. Oh, I see you in. Oh, hold on. Let me fix my hairline though. It's looking a little crazy. Alright guys, so we fixed up my hairline. Let me show you guys how the progress is looking. Check it out, check it out. I'll give you that whole 360 as always. My back is starting to come in a little bit now. But yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know what you think of my progress. Let me know any tips you can give me to help me improve my progress. You know, we grind it together, guys. I help you guys out, you guys help me out. You feel me? That's how we doing it here. All right, guys. So now to get this wash started, you're gonna need to comb your hair out first. So make sure you do that. Just like this, guys. I'm gonna comb my hair out real quick for you. Alright guys, so the reason I comb my hair out first is because I do not like combing my hair during the washing style. I feel like it makes me lose some of my progress. So just to keep it safe, I comb my hair out before I start all the washing and all that, you know what I'm saying? I never comb my hair when it's wet. I just feel like, personally, I feel like that it makes me lose my progress, so I don't do that. Okay guys, so what we will be needing for today's wash method is a brush, any kind of regular cheap washing style brush you can use. Of course, a do-rag, and I will be using a wave cap on top of it also. I highly recommend that you use a polyester do-rag, not a silky, because you can kind of ruin your silkies doing this, but I don't have a polyester laying around, so it's alright, it doesn't matter. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, and for the shampoo and conditioner, guys, we will be using Coconut Curls by OGX. Of course, you know we always keep it sulfate free. Yeah, it's a really good shampoo and conditioner. I highly recommend to use this. It's really good. It's been giving me good progress. But yeah, so we got everything ready. Comb the hair out, got all supplies. Let's take it to the bathroom. Alright guys, so you know it was a little early, you feel me? So like I didn't want to wake my family up, you know, everybody's sleeping. So I didn't want to be in the bathroom talking mad loud for the video. But it's alright, we're gonna do the commentary with it, you feel me? We're gonna be good. But I'm still guide you step by step. Alright, so you want to start off with some hot water, but not too hot to the point that your whole bathroom is steaming up, your mirrors and all that, you know, you feel me? Just hot enough that you can open up your pores, because that's the main purpose of this. So yeah, I'm just washing my hair, getting it all wet, getting it ready for the shampooing process. Alright guys, so once you completely wet your hair, you're gonna want to begin the shampooing process. And this first shampoo wash will be your initial wash, and the main purpose of this is to wash out all that build up dirt, all that build up product that's been in your hair that you've been accumulated throughout the week. And this is why you'll see that I use a lot of shampoo here. Actually, that's why I made that face. And it still doesn't lather up as much as the second time because my hair is dirty. And this is normal, and it will happen to everybody. Don't worry if it doesn't lather up the first time. That's how it is. That's the point of the initial wash. Okay, so once you've got the shampoo in your hair, you can wash it straight out. You do not need to brush it in since this is just the initial wash. Okay, so once you wash that first initial shampoo out, you're gonna need a shampoo for the second time now. And you're gonna notice that the shampoo lathers up a lot more now because your hair is clean now. Alright, so once you've lathered up all the shampoo into your hair, make sure you get a good brush session in and make sure you pay attention to your angles. Do not forget that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wash the soap off my hands and get a good session in. After you got your session in and you brushed in all that shampoo, you just want to wash it out with the same hot water as before. Once you wash that out, it's now time for the final wash with conditioner. This is the most important wash because it leaves all the essential oils that you need into your hair and pores. So make sure that you get a good session in, and again, pay attention to your angles. It's the same way that you just brushed in the shampoo, except this time you'll be putting a do-rag over to wash it out with. I'm not sure why, but the footage cut off here when I was showing you guys me putting my rag on. But all I did was put the rag on, throw the wave cap on top, and as you guys see in the next clip, I got in the shower to wash it out. So now I'm washing out all the conditioner from out my hair. By the way, guys, if you ever had dandruff from after a washing style, you had dandruff in your hair, it's probably because you didn't fully wash out your shampoo and conditioner. So now I'm about to give you a quick tip right here. You see, I'm lightly tapping my head where I'm putting the water on, and that really helps. You just gotta slap your head, man. I'm telling you, it really helps washing out all the shampoo and conditioner. I'm telling you, man. Just don't knock it till you try it, man. Just slap your head, bro. Okay, so this is right after I got out the shower. So my hair, wave cap, rag, everything's still wet. This is the final step of the wash method process. You just want to rinse your hair out with cold water so you can close up those pores that you opened up when you're using the hot water. After you rinsed out your hair with the cold water, you want to throw a towel on your head to absorb all that excess moisture that's in your rag and wave cap. And then you just want to wait about 4 to 5 hours for it to dry. Make sure you guys wait the full 4 to 5 hours too, because that's why you lose progress if you're taking your rag off too early. Alright guys, we're back now. My hair is dried. Time to show you guys the results. I've not taken the rag off here since the washing style. It's still a little wet right here at the ends. I feel it, but that's fine. Cause I know my hair is dry now. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready to see this? I don't know what it looks like right now, but look. Check it out from this. As you can see, got some good progress from that washing style. So yeah guys, my progress. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the results, you feel me, from the washing style. I'm telling y'all, man, it's a good washing style to use, yo. But yeah, so now let's get into the after wash method. So basically, in the after wash method, all I do is I wait for my hair to completely dry, not moist, not damp, none of that, completely dry. Then, you know, I comb my hair out for a little bit and put my product in and brush it in, and that's about it. Same thing as like a daily method, if you guys have checked out my daily routine and stuff. Same way I apply the products in that. I'm gonna show you guys right now first, because I know I have some new viewers in here that they might not know how to do this. Shake your curling hands and smoothies for good luck. Shake it for a little bit, you know, and then you just want to get just a little fingertip amount, not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Just like a real fingertip amount like that, like this. Get it into your palm, start rubbing it into your hands. It will turn your hands white like this, so that's fine. Now you just want to go along the pattern that you're brushing your hair, just like that. As you guys can see, just like that. You might want to like try to touch up on your crown a little bit, get it onto your crown. And after you apply the product, make sure you comb it in for about 5 minutes so you can evenly distribute it throughout your hair. Make sure you comb in the right angles too, same way you're brushing your hair. After 5 minutes of combing, get the brush and get to work. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do the whole thing for you guys. You guys just seen me brush during the washing style, so yeah. But you guys get the idea. After you brush, always after your sessions, rag up right away. Rag up. Don't rag up the whole day though. Rag up for like 30 minutes after that session. Once your hair is laid, then you can take the rag off, let your hair breathe. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Let me know. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed today's video. If you learned anything new, let me know any tips for my progress. And yeah, I'll be updating you guys on week 4 progress next week, guys. And as always, it's way too wavy and signing out. Peace.